Well, guys, Rusty's starting to come together. Got the windows cut out. Notice the center pillar. It's about, I don't know, 4.5 inches wide. I still have to, when I cut the windows out, I cut them out really close, and so there's room for adjustment. So if I need to grind out a little bit more when the trim gets here, I can do that. Or I could just leave it as it is, but I try to cut it as close as I could to the actual window, so there's a little bit of play to work with. I'm waiting on some hardware from Bolt Depot, so this is just kind of a temporary mock-up here. I'll be able to get it lined up better when I have that other hardware here. For some reason, the Postal Service either lost it or didn't pick it up or whatever, so they sent out another package. It was supposed to be here like a week ago, but I'm not sure what's going on there. But things are starting to come together now. Yeah, the tarnish look continues. And it's actually starting to look like a Spryte now. Like an old 1960s Spryte. Except the headlights aren't mounted up on top of the diagonal that comes down. And that's how they were set up originally. They had the lights sitting up on top of here. But I'm just putting in a pair of headlights there that'll be more than enough light for what we're going to be doing. So as you'll see, as far as sheeting goes, what we got left is the roof and the back. So I cut out the two back panels that go along the sides here, and then we're going to start building doors after that. So the frame, the unistrut frame, because of the stainless, it's stainless versus unistrut. Obviously the stainless is going to win because it likes to shrink up a little bit. Tweak the strut down a little bit when I welded it in. So what I'm going to do when I put the roof panels on is I'm going to jack up each side, like right along the center here, to make up for that little bit of a tweak. It's like a 1/4 of an inch difference. It's not much, but hopefully that'll suck that up, and then when I weld the roof panels on, that'll eliminate that whole slight tweaking of the unistrut frame. It's still strong as heck. It's really not going anywhere. I put the jack under the center on this side and jacked it up, and it flexes a little bit, but it'll pick the whole snowcat up. So it's really strong. What else? We're kind of getting down to it here with the sheeting. Just a little bit left. And then we're going to move on to the doors and wiring. And of course, I've got to build a doghouse here. But it's definitely coming along. Willow's been busting out the tracks, getting all the grousers off. She's got a pretty big pile of grousers going. This is the first track that she's got left, so she might be 1/3 of the way through. Man, that's a lot of work. And it's hot out today. It's supposed to be 90 plus today, so. But I think that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But as always, guys, take care, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.